Keep good track of money with these financial management tips. Here are some money management tips that can help you improve your financial well-being. Create a budget. Begin by monitoring your income and expenditures to gain a clear understanding of how you're utilizing your money. Establish a budget that allocates your income towards necessary expenses, savings, and discretionary spending. Strive to adhere to your budget as closely as you can. Save regularly. Prioritize saving by consistently setting aside a portion of your monthly income for emergencies, future objectives, and retirement. To simplify the process, contemplate automating your savings through automatic transfers to a designated savings account. Reduce debt. If you have outstanding debts, create a plan to pay them off. Focus on high-interest debts first, such as credit card debt. Make more than the minimum payment whenever possible to accelerate the repayment process. Cut unnecessary expenses. Review your expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. Cancel unused subscriptions, dine out less frequently, and find cost-effective alternatives for daily expenses. Small savings can add up over time. Avoid impulse purchases. Before making a purchase, especially a significant one, take some time to think it over. Differentiate between needs and wants. Delaying purchases can help you avoid impulse buying and make more rational spending decisions. Shop smart. Compare prices, look for discounts, and consider buying used or secondhand items when appropriate. Take advantage of rewards programs and cashback offers to maximize your savings. Plan for the future. Set financial goals and create a plan to achieve them. Whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or saving for a dream vacation, having specific goals will help you stay motivated and make better financial choices. Invest wisely. Take into account the option of investing your money as a means to enhance your wealth in the long run. Acquire knowledge about various investment possibilities, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate. If you feel unsure or hesitant, seek guidance from a financial advisor to assist you in making informed decisions. Stay informed. Stay updated on personal finance topics and keep learning about money management strategies. Knowledge is power when it comes to making informed financial decisions. Practice self-control. Develop discipline and avoid succumbing to impulsive spending habits. Practice self-control and remind yourself of your long-term financial goals. Remember, everybody's financial situation is unique, so it's essential to tailor these tips to your specific circumstances. Building healthy money habits takes time, patience, and consistency.